called, guy? Oh, the Chicken Ranch Casino? No, not Chicken Waffles. Chicken Ranch Casino in Jamestown, California.
Where's the front door?
I think maybe over here. Look, they painted fake windows up there. How cool. Nice cookie.
Yeah.
And here's a telegraph office. Interesting. I don't think it's open. Oh, they're fake doors. No, they're real.
This is all fake.
Fake windows.
I wanted to see a saloon.
Somebody was busy.
Trading post. Anyone under the age of 18 must be accompanied by an adult at all times.
And we're going in. Ooh. Oh, that was last night. Okay, I'm not sure if I can record in here, but I'll come back if we can. Okay.
Okay, let's find a decent.
It's recording.
This one right here, put $6 in the machine and won. Look at
$50.
now we're talking some money here.
This is how you start a vacation.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Good job, guys.
Thank you.
That was fun. Okay, so bye Chicken Ranch Casino. Thanks for the extra lunch money. And we might stop on our way out. I'll get back with you later. Bye. Okay, so we're checking in to built in 1850. Cool. You can always find Alice in a puff of smoke. She vapes, but that's okay. Oh, look, they're all set up for Halloween. Look at those little signs. How cute. Go inside. It's not bumpy. Okay, well, we just left the casino and we're on our way to our next place.
Outside the road. You want some more Fritos?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Let me know when the driver needs me, if you need water or if you need a Applejack.
I'll take a Coke.
Applejack.
I'll take a Bloody Mary.
You want a Bloody Mary?
No.
You want a Coke? I have Coke in the... Yeah, we have Coke.
No.
deep breathing can clear your mind.
Okay, now we're just coming into Jamestown. And if I remember correctly, when I used to live in Sonora, Becky, my friend, and I would come down here and we'd hang out there at that little place on the left called the Rawhide.
Taqueria.
Is it Taqueria or Taqueria?
Taqueria.
Mine says to breathe too.
Really?
Dude, I can't breathe. I'm chewing.
Yours says to breathe too? Is your anxiety up?
No.
Rawhide Saloon.
I think it was too many of those triggers.
I can't believe they got a Harley Davidson place like her.
Yeah.
I know, right?